Everyone, a very happy New Year 2025. Have great health, longevity, so that you can live for 100 years and more, exponential growth, great relationships, and happiness. 2024, reflecting back, it was one of the most phenomenal years in terms of like learning. I was able to learn new things like longevity, which I didn't know like 2 years back. I always had this dream. I wanted to learn and take care of my health, take care health of my parents, my friends, family, but I didn't know much knowledge about it. Dedicated almost more than 6 months into it. It was like phenomenal, interviewing more than like a dozen top doctors to like experts, from way up to like from Naveen Jain to like Peter Diamandis, the founder of Singularity University, which is one of the greatest university than even Harvard, Stanford, or like Ames or anything like that, in my opinion. And then meeting like Simlan, world's slowest aging man, Brain Johnson, right? And meeting some of the most incredible people who have won multiple gold medals, like Dr. Navya, and then meeting my friend Ravi, right, about natural lifestyle, and then the Sattvic movement founders Shubha and Harsh, and it was like phenomenal, right? Whatever I had to learn, I was able to get in like so less time. And then secondly, I was able to understand about how to go about in terms of having having an AI system, right? These were all about like the longevity, and second is um, having a consistent flow of income and helping business owners, because I come from that marketing thing and systems, funnels. If you see in India, 89% people have like disorganized way of living the life, right? Like no CRM, no WhatsApp automation, no anything. After me interviewing like Karthik Naidu, one of the greatest SaaS founders I've seen, I got in love into like SaaS, and that's one of the things which I truly believe I should be solving for like this year, right? 2025, right? Because 2024 was all about like learning about longevity, then the SaaS, then the marketing, and third is like about the spirituality. Ultimately, soul knowledge, Atma Gyan, is bigger knowledge than anything else in the world, which 99% of the world actually refuse it. They are just happy with what they do, and they think that's the ultimate thing what they have. But I was always curious to learn from the best masters of the world. I always had this dream, just like in business. I want to learn from absolutely the best billionaires, the best SaaS founders in India, the best people who have the natural lifestyle. Similarly, I wanted to learn from the world's greatest, smartest, most intelligent saint, and that's how I was able to discover. And of course, if you guys are interested to learn about that soul knowledge, let me know. I can just share with you, right? And these are the three things. And fourth is like influence building, podcasting. See, I was able to learn so many great things because I was a podcaster, or else I must have spent, like example for like longevity, like 7 years MBBS, 5 years, 2 years MD, and still I will not be able to have so much exposure. All I care is, can I meet great people, talk to them, and learn from them directly in the fastest time possible. 10x less time, at the same time 10 times more impact, not like a linear growth, exponential growth. Because of podcast, I was able to do that, right? Not because I had some inherited thing, some of my parents or like somebody, my family just referred. It's nothing like that. I went on there shamelessly, asking for great people. I want to share the message to like more people, the Real Knowledge Club community. They all agreed. It's all about you just have to ask them, right? And this is how it was. And this year, it's all about giving as much as value for the people and the Real Knowledge Club community, helping businesses with automation, CRM, everything, so that they are able to scale to the next level. Because oxygen for a business is what? It's all about like more leads, having a systematic approach. And then what is the oxygen for someone to live, right? Everybody in the world, there are like three things what most people don't speak in the house. One is money, sex, and death. Everybody wants to live long, right? If you don't take care of your health, we are going to die one day. Obviously we all will die. It's all about how many years can you live without disease free, with endurance and with strength and everything? That's like the biggest problem in the world right today, because so much of things, right, where every food is like contaminated with processed food, artificial flavors, how to live natural, like nobody is like paying attention. That's the problem we want to solve. And Atmagyan, right, ultimately one day we have to leave this body and die. Once if we cross this human birth, it takes 84 lakh species to get this human birth. That's like 3 crore years. It is so difficult. Vedas, Shastras, Puranas, all the great books have already told that, right? Don't try to seek lot of happiness in materialistic outside world, seek from inside, right? And these are the 4 things which I'll be mainly focusing on. And let me know if you have any problem or anything, any solution, do message me over here. And then also you want to become part of this mission, are you able to connect with the true values like impact to like millions of people, the real knowledge, the natural lifestyle and everything, do message me if you want to be part of our team. And let's make an exponential impact, exponential growth, 10x, not 10%. With that being said, Yavai Akshay Rashikaran signing off. Once again, wishing you everyone very happy New Year 2025, and talk to you soon everyone. Bye bye.